Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, how are ya? We're going out for dinner. This is our dinner with my friends. We're just waiting for sister girl. She left her bag in the room. Hey sis, you got everything?
Yes, I
You got the key. We're just doing our vlog. Hey!
Hi.
You must remember Jodeci from the last vlog.
Yes.
We're just gonna go and head out and pick up our friends, so make sure you stay tuned. And yes, let's go and be skinny bitches. Okay guys, so we just stopped in to pick up another one of our friends, and we're gonna have a blast. It's a bit of a winter's night to be going out for dinner, but we're gonna enjoy it.
Okay.
So, okay, it's a bit wet out, guys. Oh yes, please, honey. Oh, how do I lock this? Okay, let's run. 3, 2, 1. Oh! I was just like, oh my god.
Okay, so the reservation's under Jordan.
Geordie. And so we're at Yaki. The umbrella would have been perfect for me.
It's not very good. Honey, should we go from here?
Okay guys, so this lady's going to explain a little bit about what this is.
This one is a BBQ and it's a very special dish from here. And I give it 3 types of meat like pork belly, beef and chicken. Yeah. And you can take more refill again and again and you cook here on the hot plate. And 6 types of side dishes I give you like kimchi, salad, pan fried potato, pickled onion and plain green bean jelly. And you can take more refill again and again. And steamed rice also you can take more refill. Salad, tofu, soup. These things refill as much as you can. And this one you have a choice. You can choose fried dumpling and then 2 chicken nipples per person.
And this is all,
Everything is refill except this one.
it's all covered under the 27.
27.
Wow, that's really good.
Okay guys, so we're living for the bottled water. Like, I'm just living. Like, hello. So, what that lady tried to say is that you get all of this for $27 and you get either fried dumplings or chicken noodles. Inside here is the drink
I want you custody.
and all of that.
Would you like some water? And our paper cups.
Okay, so the food has arrived. We've got all this meat. I know you're thinking, aren't you vegetarian? But it's all good. So this is...
Preparing for breakfast now.
Thank you.
It's our seafood for the barbecue. Oh,
What's that? Oh, my rice. Dumplings, thank you. And so everything's cooked on here.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Awesome guys, so we're just gonna put all our meat on here together. Boom. You get a coconut water connoisseur, she's a meat cookie. She's meat.
She's a big butcher.
She's a mad butcher.
here it's sizzling.
Yum.
It looks so good on the camera.
Let's just pop it all on her.
Shall I stop now? Does anyone want some miso?
Okay guys, we're just leaving you there while we try it out. We also just got some... I hate we also got some of these and I'm definitely going to try that out. Okay, we're trying out this stuff. It's called kimchi. I don't know. Well guys, I've had about 3 or 4 rounds now. I'm feeling a little bit of like a bloated number. YakiYaki, what does YakiYaki mean? I've got no idea, but I'm gonna ask it later. Barbecue. Barbecue. Oh, thank you. Barbecue. I love it. I won't forget that. And so now we know. Yay, and we're moving out of level 1 allegedly as early as next week, guys. And do you, sis?
Oh,
What do you miss most about level 4?
getting paid to do nothing. Yeah.
We didn't have a camera person with us tonight, so we have to do it all by hand. I could have brought my selfie stick, would have made it a lot easier, but
Is it one of those ones that turns into a tripod too? I just got it today.
oh cool. I got a waist trainer today. Also guys, so me and my friends like to play a game of who's gonna pay, and it's the first person to put their card away doesn't have to pay. Oh. No. But yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had so much fun. It was definitely an experience. If you did want to check it out, we'll link all the information down below. Just a few questions that we had that we were going to chuck on here. We just need to add on another 4.5 minutes, so that's basically all we're doing. Is we're getting our nails booked in on oh no, it won't work anymore because that does. Okay, never mind. We're gonna keep this in because we need to fill up that time. So just a few concerns on the video. If you did think that I had a bang eye throughout the video, you weren't wrong, bitch, because I did have a bit of a bang eye in this one. Yes, that was my friend Jodeci from my transition update video. Hi, how are ya? And my good friend Atto. And yeah, so I've just got home. I've literally just started to edit the video. I've got my bath on. Should I show you my bath? So this is my room. Oops, there's my bed there. Spare bed. And then in here, guys, is where the magic happens. No. This is my spa area here. So she's just filling up. I've got my flamingo in the background. All that other type of stuff. Over coming in here is the kitchen. It's a little bit dark, but hey, how are ya? This is our little kitchen. So cute. If you are wondering, yes, I am staying in a motel. And the good things is that we get those jumbo-sized toilet paper. You know what I'm trying to say? But yeah, I don't really think I have any more updates per se for you guys, but things have just been good, really well. I got my waist trainer from New Zealand Muscle today. I also have new videos coming, my Morphe palette challenge thing. I've ordered a Morphe palette and a brow kit, so we'll do a Morphe palette challenge or something. And yeah, just been TikToking while I'm walking with my dog Millie rocking. No, I'm literally just trying to fill up some time. We've got about 2 minutes left just to go on. Yeah, what do you want me to say, bitch? Like, what's good in your hood? What setting spray am I using? No, I'm not really one for Arbonne, but we're using this Arbonne. Set it. Let it set. Setting spray. What a name. Arbonne. No. But yeah, so I'm just chilling, about to have that spa. If you did enjoy today's video, guys, make sure you give us a huge thumbs up and leave a comment. It really does help us. If an ad pops up, make sure you watch at least like 15 seconds of the ad, click onto the ad, see the ad, view the ad, boom, page already. You know what I'm trying to say, what's good. It's all about opening the possibilities. Also, we're going to do like a blind date challenge. A blind date video where I go on a blind date. Make it happen. Do you know someone that wants to go on a blind date? Oh, anyway guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. I certainly did. I had fun. I think I've put on like maybe a couple of grams. I'm not too sure. And I'm just living best life. Living as happy as can be and just doing the best to my ability. Sounds like I need to have a cone. But yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, bitch, what are you even doing here? Make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to get all those post notifications. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat. What's good on your hood, guys? Have a beautiful day. Yeah.